Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we have one more 2012 Gypsy with us, and this has come for new tires upgrade as well as new shockers to be installed. And we have installed a new Lamda hub as well as the wiper base which is going to be replaced. So we are going to overview this vehicle completely. Please have a look at this. We have installed 4 new shockers which is from Monroe, and we have installed a Lamda Hub Lock for GypsyKing, which is a branded from Swastik Fabs, Bangalore, and we have installed 12-inch wiper beds from Hella, so which has been completely replaced. So you can just have a look at it. The one more best part of this vehicle, we have installed a brand new 2021 BF Goodrich Tyres on this, and you can see the hub lock also been installed on this. This is the all-terrain tire which has been installed on this, and this is a 215/75/15 tire. So all 4 sides we have installed this tire. One of the best and durable, most comfortable tire for Gypsy, recommended brand, which is an American brand. You can just have a look at this. So this is the rear tire. So set of 5 tires have been completely installed on this vehicle. So you can see the logo of this completely. So this vehicle is completely with stock rims, and we have installed a BF Goodrich tire from all the 4 sets. One of the comfortable and the best tires which is done, and very comfortable to ride on Gypsy. And all the new components have been added on this completely. So Lamda new hub lock have been added on this, and also you can just check out the quality of the tire, how beautiful it is. It's mentioned as 215/75/15. It can be fitted on stock rims completely, and you can see the tire, how beautiful it is, and the pattern is really beautiful for better grip and better performance on both on road as well as on mud terrain. You can see the tire pattern completely here. There's the rear tire which we have shown. The tire pattern is really very awesome and very good. I would rather say for all Gypsy buyers to please install this kind of BF Goodrich tire on their vehicles, and this has been done at ApexRoadandRace, Bangalore. For any kinds of service or repair or maintenance regarding Gypsies, you can just contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore, and any kinds of tires or offset rims or empty tires, you can just free to contact us on our number. And also please like and subscribe our channel. We will be providing more and more good videos on Gypsies every day, and we will be updating you for a better quality and better videos from our side. Please like and subscribe our channel once more. Thank you and have a great day.